Hello everyone, it is Donna Bell from Shabby Chic, Pretty and Sweet, and I have received another entry into my banner pennant challenge, and this one is from the lovely, talented Delores Saller, S-A-L-L-E-R, from Illinois, and she sent in this beautiful, beautiful pennant for my banner. Isn't that just gorgeous? And it's on burlap, and she's added this crocheted lace all the way around. She's put the burlap string and a black ribbon. It's gorgeous. And she's layered. She's layered it. There's two doilies and the crocheted lace and the burlap, and then she's added this beautiful flower that she's made out of this vintage fabric. Isn't that just gorgeous? And she's laced a black ribbon all the way around through the doily and tied it into a bow here. I mean, this is just gorgeous. And in the center of the flower, she has this, let me move this out of the way, this beautiful frame, and she's put my initial in the center, and the initial D for Donna, and she's painted it gold, and she's put it in the center of this frame in a black background. She's also added 1, 2, 3 flowers to it. Aren't those gorgeous? And they each have a little pearl in the center. And then she's added this beautiful butterfly here with 2 pearls in the center of it and a strand of pearls across the top. I mean, it is gorgeous. And then she has this little fringe hanging at the bottom here like a tassel. It's just gorgeous. And look at this dangle. I mean, isn't that just beautiful? Look at that. And it says smile. And then here she's made one of the paper clips wrapped with lace into like a bead. And she's put a couple little heart charm, and an angel, a guardian angel. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Delores. And then here she has my initials, Donna Bell, and a little flower. And look, that turns. Kind of like one of the old rotary phones. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. So let me give you a close-up. What beautiful, beautiful work. Girl, you are so talented. So talented. I am so honored and humbled by the entries that I have received. And I tell you, I will treasure each and every one of these entries always. I am honored to have other people's art to hang in my room, to look at and to inspire me, and for my friends when they come over to craft with me to see. And I'm honored. I really am. I'm blown away. Absolutely blown away. Well, Delores, I have a package that is going out in the mail to you. I will get it out in the mail tomorrow. Little thank you package with some flowers, some of my handmade flowers, and a few little extra goodies. And it will be going out in the mail to you tomorrow as a thank you. And your name has been entered as entry number 5 into my challenge. And I thank you, and I appreciate you so much. And I am so honored. And it is so beautiful, and I thank you so, so much. So God bless everyone, and thank you, and bye-bye.